How can we help our children thrive in a world that's rapidly changing, to think for themselves, to solve problems, and realise their full potential? In 1954, a dad named Toru Kumon, who was also a high school maths teacher, found that his Year 2 son was struggling with maths. Slow, imprecise calculation skill was holding him back. And not just his son, but many of his high school students too. So, Toru Kumon started handwriting simple worksheets for his son to do every day at home. He carefully matched the content to his son's improving ability. Soon, his son progressed beyond school grade level. By the end of primary school, he was studying calculus. Encouraged by this progress, Toru Kumon turned his home study idea into something bigger. In 1958, the Kumon method was released. Today, more than 3.57 million students in over 60 countries study Kumon worksheets every day, including over 50,000 right here in Australia and New Zealand. Imagine a classroom where every student is learning something different. Toru Kumon did. Like his son, your child is given what they are ready to learn next. Worksheets are matched to current ability. The most advanced students are extended, and the least advanced supported. Your child makes progress at their own pace, not bound by age and school grade. Kumon Maths builds the quick, precise calculation skills that your child will need for high school. Only topics essential for high school mathematics are included. They include number recognition, counting and writing, the 4 basic operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, fractions and decimals, algebra, equations and calculus. Each worksheet builds on what has come before and prepares your child for what comes next. Your child progresses step by step towards the goal of advanced high school mathematics. Kumon English helps your child develop excellent comprehension skills and a love of reading. The worksheets are packed with published stories and texts, more than any other reading program in the world. They're arranged in order of increasing difficulty, from the simplest to the most complex. Kumon's recommended reading lists also support your child's progress. Your child will start with work that feels really easy. So easy, they can complete a high volume of worksheets with a near-perfect score in a short amount of time. We call this the low starting point. It helps your child to build confidence fast. Confident they can do the worksheets on their own, your child becomes enthusiastic to do more. Your child's concentration expands and a daily study habit forms. Practice is part of the process. Your child will repeat worksheets when needed. This could be to reduce errors, complete the work more quickly, or revisit an earlier topic to consolidate learning. The right amount of practice and a daily study habit lays the foundation for smooth progress. When your child advances ahead of school grade level in the Kumon worksheets, they learn for themselves what they are yet to be taught at school. When they encounter something new, they study the example, draw on previous learning, and give it a try. They try and try again until they finally get it, sometimes with a hint from the instructor. This is how Kumon develops self-learning. Your child comes to expect the challenge of something new and gains satisfaction in working it out for themselves. They develop a mindset that no problem is too difficult to attempt. Equipped with the skill of self-learning, your child can pursue their own potential at school and in life. Whether your child is using pencil and paper or tablet and stylus, they study the same world-class maths and English worksheets. In maths, they practice writing their working out clearly and efficiently. In English, they learn to summarise and express ideas. Whatever the format, Kumon worksheets help your child build real skills for tomorrow's world. Kumon is perfect for early learners. The maths program begins with the basics, recognising numbers, counting and writing. The English program begins with word recognition, letter sounds and letter writing. There are also worksheets that develop your child's ability to use a pencil. Kumon is a gentle and encouraging start to learning that makes your child feel confident and capable. It gives you an easy step-by-step way to support your child's learning at home. Kumon is a partnership between student, parent and instructor. Your child studies their worksheets every day at home and attends the Kumon Centre once or twice a week. You encourage your child to complete their worksheets every day at home to the best of their ability. Daily practice is essential for progress. The Kumon Instructor creates an individualized study projection for your child, assigns the worksheets they're ready to learn next, and develops the skill of self-learning in your child. You'll also receive regular progress updates from your instructor. Individualized learning, skills for school, and confidence for a lifetime.